Welcome to Awesome Care. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn about structures as function arguments. We can use a structure as a function argument. The function argument is passed by value, meaning the function makes a copy of the arguments and work with that copy. The original argument is unaffected by the function. To pass the structure by value, we can use this structure over here, and then we are going to add a function which will accept the structure as a parameter. Let's add that function. All right. Void some function which take a structure as an argument. And inside this function, we are going to print the value of its members. Printf. So this will be value of a of member a of our structure. So just a character with the new line. We are going to use the structure name and dot operator and a member name. And then we're going to print the integer value. And in our main program, we are going to initialize a variable of type struct, my struct. Then we are going to pass this variable as an argument to our function, which prints out its member values. So let's do that. In our main function, we are going to declare and initialize our structure. Struct my struct and then pass this structure to some function. And here is the output of our code. So we are able to print those values. Now we are going to create a function that is of some struct type and returns a structure value. Function parameter will represent the values of the structure members. Let's see that. Just change our this function and return type. Now we are returning a structure. And take the same type of variable as the structure members. So car type and integer. So these are the parameters. Car b and int x. We are going to create our structure with these values and return. Let's create structure struct y struct and set its member value with these values and dot a set the value character b car type variable b and temp dot I set its value to value of variable x and then just return our structure. So just gonna erase this one. And in our main function, we are going to declare a variable of type struct mystruct and assign it a value returned by a function call. So let's do that. Struct my struct m, and now we are going to assign to this the value returned by this sum function. Pass in some arbitrary values as a function argument. So let's do that. P 50, and then we are going to print the member values of the structure M. So printf value of a is and same we are going to do for I. And here is the output of our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code. Like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.